So adorable! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Toy Story 4 coloring page, and this is a picture of Forky. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with markers, a green paper, and some craft stores. So I won't keep you any longer. Let's go to start it. Okay, so let's start on Forky's face first. His mouth is blue. His eyebrow is red. And Forky had black eyes. The button on the front are gray. Let's color in his arm red. Okay, next I'm gonna color in his pants cream colored. Let's color in his feet light brown with a rainbow in one side. Okay, now let's color in the spoon and the fork gray. So I'm all finished color in Forky. Lastly, let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so adorable! Forky just looks so funny, and he's one of gorgeous toys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!